So you are considering giving up your permanent recruiter job and trying your luck as a freelance or contract recruiter, meaning you will get paid an hourly rate instead of a fixed salary. I went through the exact same process a while ago, so in this series of 3 short videos, I am going to show you how to make serious money as a contract recruiter. And I will tell you how to make even more if you're interested. This can be a very interesting path for you if you are money-driven, flexible, and seriously putting in the hard work. But first, let me sum up some of the big advantages that you currently may have in your permanent recruiter position. You have a regular and secure income. You may be working in a stable team for a longer period of time. You have time to build relationships or friendships even with colleagues. You may have senior staff mentors who will assist you with your career development. You may have funded training and development courses. You have predictable working hours, which is of course family and social life friendly. You may have paid sick leave or paid annual leave. You may have a contributory pension scheme, and you may feel the comfort of doing only what is necessary and no more. When you start working as a freelance recruiter, you will lose pretty much all of these advantages I just mentioned, more or less. And you will get a lot of uncertainty in return. But there are some big advantages in freelancing as well. There will be more incentive to perform, so you will feel more motivated to really deliver. There is this chance to excel in your job instead of just working for a living. You will experience more diverse work environments, as most assignments will be about 3 to 18 months. You will be able to build your expertise and competence much more quickly than permanent employment, as you feed your brain with knowledge from every assignment. You won't lose valuable time on doing routine jobs that rarely challenge you and from which you don't learn anything. The knowledge about how every other company does their recruitment is really valuable when you are working as a freelance recruiter for other companies. You will learn very quickly about what ideas actually work and which are likely to fail. Your learning curve will remain steep every day after day. Freelancing will bring a lot of flexibility in your life, and flexibility is something that can increase your value a lot. And last but not least, your hourly income can be much higher on average than what permanent recruiters get. So you are able to have a bigger paycheck than other recruiters who have chosen certainty over money. Of course, you will be facing some challenges as well, next to losing the certainties of a steady job that I mentioned earlier. You may feel a lot of pressure to be up and running and productive very quickly. You may experience questions and animosity, as permanent co-workers in the recruitment department will know that you make much more money than they do. Your assignment will end when the number of open vacancies drops or when the company has to cut costs. So you will be needing at least a couple of months of income on your bank account to cover expenses if you find yourself in between assignments. You will have to live with the fact that every assignment ends at some stage, and you will not know if there will be another assignment waiting for you out there. Your co-workers will relentlessly confirm to you that they would not be able to live with the uncertainty. From day one, they will ask you what your plans are after this assignment. You have to be a healthy person with little risk of becoming ill for a longer period of time. You have to be the kind of person who wants to outperform others, meaning that you get paid serious money because you are worth it. I'm saying these things because you really have to know yourself very well before making that switch to contract recruitment. If you are still listening, I guess you are really interested in the money part. If so, watch part 2 on making serious money as a freelance recruiter.